Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here. This is our projects. We are going to present and give the presentation related to our final project in here in Austin. This is Dubai in a week. We struggle and we prepare this our own projects to present there in the final examination. So this is a big opportunity for us. That's why we did a lot of struggle to create this project. It's very simple, but we added some extra thing from our side, because we added some, like, if you're coming close to me, we started the motor is from here, the fuse, because this is the on and off switch. You on the battery in here. When you on the battery, this is the switch. The switch is working here, connecting from here, and then we on the switch, and the spark plug is coming directly to, look at the timing. This is 4312. This is starting from here. So the current is flowing from here to the distributor, and distributor is distribute the spark to the each spark plugs. This is the simple and very short projects, and just only for 3 people. Created by Mr. Khalid, Mr. Michael, and Mr. 𝑪𝒓. So this is our final project. I hope it will be great for us and will be helpful. Thanks for watching.